So we're making a vegetable hash dish. I like this just because it's very versatile.
Cooking demonstrations are important because it shows people how to use some of the ingredients that they can buy at the Link Market and how to use them at home.
For us, education was part and parcel to what we do. It made no sense to restore their access to healthy, affordable food without also teaching them the skills they would need.
And I think it's a blessing to have it here, because people from Wellston, people from Pagedale and U-City, they could come here and they could purchase items.
Cooking has become kind of a lost art over time, so it's important to be able to demonstrate that and kind of pique their interest as well.
It's good. It's real good.
And they can take all of what they've learned here, all of what they bought here back home, and make good food at home for their family.
And we hopefully will be able to continue the cooking demonstrations as time goes on as well, and hopefully the Link Market will become a fixture of the Wellston station.